I don't know, it might be a spike.
No, I don't think so. Go get quick. It's gonna go down the hill. Want me to stop it?
No,
Not
I
gonna
think
see
it might be a spike. I don't think a doe would be by itself, do you?
No, that's the thing.
Ah,
Might be a buck trolling it.
yeah. I bet you she's gonna pop up right around the lip there.
It seemed like she went off and that dog watching her head. Making the wind, she might have got wind of us.
I doubt it.
The wind's now coming this way.
Yeah, the rain's blowing crooked. Oh,
You know, she sure stopped right there, and then it seemed like she went off in a holler.
oh really? Oh.
That was your chance.
Well, I didn't want to. It could have been a button buck.
Yeah, I think it's too big for button buck.
I didn't want to risk it.
Yeah, she didn't come on around.